Hi, this is Mike from Sophia Institute for Teachers. Welcome to your new Spirit of Truth textbooks. This introductory video is the first in a series to help you get the most out of them. Please take the time to watch them all. Let's get started. In Spirit of Truth, you'll find a session-based format. It provides you with content and activities for 32 to 33 weekly religious education classes of about 90 minutes each. That might be more than you need, so each session is broken up into a series of activities. You can choose to do the ones you like best or that you have time for. You will also find detailed directions for presenting the material. Most religious ed textbooks have students read and answer questions, leaving you, the catechist, to figure out how to make your class time interesting and meaningful. Spirit of Truth has done this work for you so that every week your students will be actively engaged and learning. Our sessions are written by current or former Catholic school teachers and catechists, and are classroom tested to give you confidence that everything in your textbook comes from real educators and real experience. There's also a lot of support for you, the catechist, in Spirit of Truth. It's always good to get a refresher on the content you're teaching. We have provided you with background essays, connections to the catechism, and ongoing support throughout the textbook to help give you the confidence to present the material and help students with any questions they may have. As you start to look through the textbooks, you'll notice that we use sacred art and beauty not only as a unique teaching tool, but also as a means of evangelization. The contemplation of beauty invites us to experience and know God, who is beauty itself. We'll talk more about teaching with sacred art in another video. Finally, Spirit of Truth gives you the tools to be a witness to Christ. You'll see many places in the session plans where we've given you practical ideas to invite your students into a relationship with Jesus. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to watch the remaining short videos to learn more about the different parts of the session plans and how you can best use them.